Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to learn about a new chapter, and that is data handling. Okay, what is the chapter? Data handling. The previous classes you are learned about representing data using pictures or symbols. Representing data using pictures or symbols, and that is pictograph. What is pictograph? Representing data by using pictures or symbol, and that is pictographs. And by pictograph we can easily understand the concept. Okay, so today we are going to learn about bar graphs. We are going to learn about bar graphs. Okay. Bar graphs also known as bar charts. This bar graph consists of rectangular bars and whose length represent a data. Okay, so the page number 99, there is a question. I will read the question. The information about the scholarship winners over a period of 5 years in school given below. Draw a bar graph to represent the information. So, we can make bar graph by using this information. How to make bar graph? Okay. So, all of you listen here. First of all, we want to collect the information. Okay. And that is year and number of winners. Okay. The first column, the year, then number of winners. Number of winners. Okay. So, by using this information, we can make bar graphs. The first 2013, then 2014, 2015, 2016 and 2017. And in 2013, how many winners are there? 4, 2014, 3, 5, 1, 2. So, this is the information about winners. This is the information about the winners in each year, that is 2013, 2014, 15, 16 and 2017. And how to make bar graph by using this information. So, all of you listen here. So, first we can, this is a horizontal line and this is a vertical line. If you make a bar graph, first you draw a horizontal and vertical line. Okay. And this is a vertical line. Next, we have to write the titles here. Okay. And then here we can write the year. The horizontal line we can write year. Okay. Here we can write year. Okay. And this vertical line we can write the number of winners. We can write the number of winners. Okay. Next, write the years here. This is x axis and this is y axis, and here the year 2000, here start from 0, okay, 2013, next 2014, next 2015, 2016, 2017. So, in bar graph consists of two lines, that is horizontal and vertical line. In horizontal line, we are write the years. Okay. In vertical line, write the numbers of winners. Next, in 2013, 4 winners are there. 2014, 3 winners are there. 2015, 5 winners are there. 2016, 1 winner, and 2017, 2 winners are. So, we can write the winners in this horizontal line, vertical line. So, the maximum data is 5. The maximum data is 5. So, we can start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, here we can make a line like this at equal distance. Okay. At equal distance. If you are drawing a bar graph, you draw the lines at equal distance. Now, okay. Now, in 2013, how many winners are there? In 2013, how many winners? 4. So, here we can draw a rectangular bar like this. Okay. Next, in 2014, how many winners are there? 3. So, here we can draw a bar, rectangular bar. Okay. In 2015, 5 winners are there. So, we can draw a bar graph at 5. Next, 2016, how many winners are there? Only 1 winner. So, in 2016, we can draw a bar graph at 1. Next, 2017, how many winners are there? 2 winners are there. So, you can make here okay. Is it clear? So, 2013, 4 winners we can shade like this, and this is the representation of the winners. The winners 2014, 3 we can represent as bar charts, and here 2015, how many winners are there? Yes, 5 winners are there. Okay. So, this is the bar graphs of this information about the winners. Okay. So, in this bar graph, we can easily understand how many winners in each year. How many winners are there in each year. So, bar graphs are used to represent data as rectangular bars. It also helps to compare the data. We can compare the data like in 2013, 4 winners are there, but in 2015, 5 winners, and 2015 is the maximum winners. Do you get? In 2015, maximum winners, and at least 2016 is the minimum. That means in 1. Okay. So, this is a bar graph. Graphical representation in bar graph consists of two lines, that is horizontal and vertical line. Horizontal is x-axis and this is y-axis. And also we make a line at equal distance. After that we can draw the rectangular bars at the data. Okay, is it clear? Move on to our next example. Okay. So it is easy to draw bar graphs if you get any information, and we can compare the data also. Okay, page number 100, there is a question. The number of different types of books in a library. Okay, so we can write the information here. The type of books in first column. The types of books. Okay. Next is the number of books. Next, comics. And next is novels. Poetry. Next, short stories. And the last one is plays. Okay, and this is the information about the books. Okay, and how many comics are there? 250 comics, 200 novels, 150 and 150. So this is the number of books in each type of books. 250 comics, 200 novels, 100 poetry, 50 short stories and 150 plays. So based on this information, we have to draw a bar graph. Okay, so we can start. There is a vertical line and horizontal line, x, y. Okay, next, start from 0. Okay, here we can write the number of books, the type of books. We can write the heading, the types of books. Okay, here we can write the type of books. Here we can write the number of books. Here we can write the heading, number of books. The number of books. Okay, the maximum data is 250. You can start from 50, 100, 150, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, and this is types of books. Okay, types of books. Okay, next is we have to write the names, types of books like comics. Okay, next novels. And next is poetry. We can extend the line. Poetry. Next is short stories. Short stories. And the last one is play. Plays. Okay. Now we can draw the rectangular bars. How many comics are there? Yes, before that we can make a line here. At equal distance. At equal, you should care about the, at equal distance we can make some lines there. Okay. Okay. Next is, how many comics are there? 250 comics. So, 250 comics. 250 comics. How many novels are there? Yes, 200 novels. How many poetries are there? How many poetries are there? 100. So, here we can make bars like that. How many short stories are there? Yes, 50. How many plays are there? 150. Here, yes, 150. Okay, is it clear that? So, 200 and 250, 50 comics are there. Next, how many novels are there? Yes, 200 novels are there. 200 novels are there. Next, how many poetries are there? Yes, there are 100 poetries are there. Okay, how many short stories are there? 50. How many plays are there? 150. Okay, is it clear that? So, this is the bar graph of the data of types of books and the number of books. Okay, so from this bar graph we can understand quickly the informations about the books and their number. So, which book is at maximum? Yes, comics are at maximum and that is 250. Which is least amount? That is short stories and that is 50. So, is it clear that? Okay, very good. So, this is about bar graph. This is about bar graphs. Now, I will show a bar graph and based on that bar graph, some questions are there. Okay. So, here a bar graph is given. So, you will give a bar graph and based on that bar graph questions also there you have to find out. Okay, here the first one. The rainfall, this is a bar graph about the rainfall at months, at each month. So, based on that bar graph, we have to answer some question. This is the rainfall level of each month here. Okay, the first one. So June it is 30, July 50 centimeter, August it is 60, September it is 40 and October it is 20. So here the first question, in which month was the rainfall maximum? So maximum rainfall is at August, the month of August, and that is 60 centimeter. Is it clear? So next is how much rain was recorded in the month of June. How much rainfall is recorded at the month of June? So you observe this bar graph about the rainfall on June month, and that is 30 centimeter, and that is 30 centimeter. Third question is, which month show above 30 centimeter rainfall? So you have to find out the above 30 month of rainfall. The months are above 30 months. Yes, it is July, August and September. July 50 centimeter, August that is 60 centimeter, September that is 40 centimeter. Okay, and the last question is, in which month was the rainfall minimum level? The minimum level of rainfall is at October, and that is 20. Okay, this is about a bar graph. Sometimes you given a bar graph, based on that bar graph you have to find out the answers. Is it clear that? So bar graph of the representation of data by using bars. Okay, rectangular bars, and it consists of x axis and y axis, that means horizontal and vertical. Horizontal and vertical. Okay. So this is about bar graphs. So I will give an exercise. We can draw bar graphs about that. Okay. So the stock of different types of food grains in a grocery shop. So the data are, first one, I think you all understood how to draw bar graph based on the data. So the first column is types of food grains. Types of food grains. Okay. And the second column is number of sacks. The number of sacks. So here the informations about the types of food grains and the number of sacks. Types of food grains and number of sacks. Okay, and the first one is rice. Rice is there, wheat, bajra, jowar and gram. Jowar and last gram. Okay, the last one is gram. Okay, so how many rice? 40 sacks. And wheat is 30, 10, 20 and 10. Okay, this is the information about the type of food grains and the number of sacks. Now we have to represent this data on bar graphs. So how to make bar graphs? First you draw, yes, the vertical line and the horizontal line. Okay, the vertical line and horizontal line we can mark like X and Y. Okay, next here we can write the types of food grains. The types of food grains. Okay, and here we can write the number of sacks. Here we can write the number of sacks. Okay, here the maximum data is here the 40. So we can write, before that we can make lines. Okay, at equal distance. If you are writing on your notebook, you take equal distance. Okay, like that. Okay, and the first one is here the rice. Next is, yes, wheat. And bajra. Jowar. And the last one is gram. The last one is gram. Okay. So in x axis we are write the types of food grains and the y axis the number of sacks. And how many rice? So here the maximum data is 40. So we can write from 10, 20, 30 and 40. Is it clear that? So if you get a data, first you draw the horizontal line and vertical line, then draw line at equal distances. Then x axis you write the types of food grains and y axis the number of sacks are there. So how many rice sacks are there? 40. So here we can draw a rectangular bar like this. Is it clear that? Next, how many wheat are there? 30. So here 30. How many bajra is there? 10. How many jowar? 20. Here 20. And how many gram is 10? Okay, 10. Is it clear that? So this is about the food grains and their number of sacks. Okay. So from this bar graph, clearly understand which food grain it is at maximum. Which food grain is maximum, and that is rice is 40. And which is minimum? It is gram. Is it clear that? This is a bar graph representation of this data of food grains. Okay, is it clear? Okay. So we already learned about, if you get a bar graph, based on that bar graph you will get a questions and you have to find the answer. In page number 101 you can see a graph. This is a bar graph. Okay, can you see this? Page number 101, and this is about showing the number of different types of vehicles. Showing the different types of vehicles and their number also. So here auto, bike, car, van and jeep are there and their number. In x axis the types of vehicles and y axis the number of vehicles. Okay, is it clear that? Based on this bar graph you have to find out some answers. Okay, so the first one is, which vehicle is at maximum number? Which vehicle is at maximum number? Here, yes, bike is at maximum number. How many more cars are there than ones? So, you have to subtract the number of cars. How many cars are there? 6. How many vans? 4. So, 6 minus 4, the answer will be 2. Third question, which vehicle is the least in number? Which vehicle is the least in number? Yes, auto rickshaw is at least in number. And the final question is, how many more bikes are there than Jeep? How many more bikes there than Jeep? So, Jeep, the number of Jeep is 8 and number of bike is 10. So, 10 minus 8 is 2. Is it clear that? Okay. So, today we are learn about the bar graph is the rectangular bars represented based on some data. Okay. Is it clear that? Okay. Thank you so much.